Okay, it's 7 p.m. Today our direction is downside. You can see there's a balanced price range here. And if I talk about the regular trading hour gap, which is from here to here, wait. Today our direction is downside. This is the liquidity we're targeting, this and this. We sweep that high, and which is great. If we come down below that level here, then we can easily say that we are in a downtrend and we can target for the downside, like here, this and this. This is the liquidity. We already rejected from this level, which is the 0.25 level of this balance range. I'm sorry, to 0.25 division of this balance range. This is our initial liquidity, and today we're targeting downside liquidities. I don't want to see market targeting these liquidities because my target is downside. So I don't want to come here, because if we come here, then we totally shift our bias, and I don't want to see that. That doesn't mean that it's not possible. It can be, but I don't want to. That's it. Now let's see what happens next. This is not something I want to see, like this type of candle. Um, we don't have any news, but what is that? This is not something that support our idea. Let's take a look if it target this liquidity, which is a kind of London liquidity, we can say. Like this candle totally invalidated my idea. From here, we can expect another buy side move like this. What the fuck? Like this. Let's see what happens. Okay, if the market breaks this level 4489, we can target these and these. If the market breaks that level, we can target that and that. But inside the range, we don't want to trade, because if we look at this structure show me bullishness. So if it breaks that particular level, you can see 4489. If it breaks that, we can easily say that market shift in bullish and we can target further. But if it can't, then we are not interested in that. And also, it's the same way. I think we can target this. Like if it breaks that, we can target this and this. So let's wait and see what happens. We are inside the macro. We have a tiny favor gap. This is our first gap. Let me mark. What I actually see here is this is all about the market. These levels and all these are market structures. But beyond market structure, what I see here, my assumption that this is a liquidity. What the fuck is going on? This is liquidity, which is set, and the market do something like that. This, 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 this. But we need to watch. I don't say that market should do that. This is my assumption. Like I think or I want the market to do that. So we can see that this liquidity equal high. You can see that already equal high. That's not what I predict, but still, we are not taking any trades above that level, inside that and that level. But now, my assumption, it's gonna do this. Now let's see if it happens or not. Okay, that's something good to move towards downside. Why? Because this, you can see this. This is a whole balance range, okay? And I don't want to target these liquidities. Why? Because if we target these liquidities, we're shifting from bearish to bullish. And I say that before. But now you can see the 50% of that balance range or 0.5 level of the balance range is here, and these liquidity is also aligned with that. So I want to see that market take that liquidity out and move further downside. Let's see if we come down below that fair value gap, then we can target these liquidities. But again, we don't get that entry in that macro. I think we should look for uh, these these macro. Now let's see what happens. And I want the market to act like this, this, this. But let's see what happens. We don't get anything. Like you can see here, nothing happens. Like, mhm. But in the way market behaves, I think I can't predict. That's the whole point. Like I'm wrong every time today. Like at first I think market gonna drop from here, it gonna up. Then I think it gonna reverse from here, but no, it's moving upward. And again, I think it's gonna reverse from here, but still it had pushing upside. Okay, that's it for today. Tomorrow is my exam. So yeah, you can see no directional move, but in the way that market behaves, I think it want to target these liquidities 4498, 4503, because if it has to reverse, it can reverse from here. This is the what this is a very important price level, the 50% of that whole balance range. Okay, and another thing, this day, which is 18 August, Tuesday, here I say that I don't know why market hit my stop loss. The trade I took here is that we sweep that liquidity here, but here I don't wait. I mean, I didn't wait for the shift of structure, which is my target is basically these liquidities and this liquidity, which is the main target. 17 August low. So the main problem is I took the trade right here from here and it hit my stop loss. Why it happens? Because I don't wait for structure shift. Like I treat these as a structure shift, like breaking this level, breaking this level as a structure shift. But no, it's not. It's not a structure shift. Our main structure shift happens right here. This is the main structure shift. We can say that this is our structure shift. Another structure shift is that turning this fair value gap into red. This is a structure shift. If we just like want to catch the reversal from the start, so that's the point where market shift from bullish to bearish, and I messed up here. And that's it. Our target is actually our target is so big, like not this. We can target standard deviation, one standard deviation, which is right here. And yeah, market reached that. So yeah, that's the mistake. I'm I didn't wait for the structure shift, proper structure shift. I treat this low, breaking this low is a structure shift, but that's the mistake. You can see the market, and I expect market take these liquidities out. And yeah, that's it for today. Let's see the next day. Also, Friday has no news. I mean, it has medium impact news, but there's no high impact news. Let it run. Bye bye.